Okay.
Hey everybody, it's James Clay at Bimmer World. I am back in our Dublin, Virginia headquarters after a week on the road, essentially. Our last West Coast swing of the year, and so happy to be back, but just an amazing week. Laguna Seca out in California, one of my favorite tracks, and there for our final or next to final IMSA race of the year, and then jumped on a plane, headed to Circuit of the Americas for the OPTIMA Batteries High Performance Expo. So this new event, which was kind of, like, what are we going to do instead of going to SEMA? So we brought all the toys out and got to play with them, which is just so much fun. So we had other Power Pro ambassadors. So Cletus McFarland, Vaughn Gittin Jr., Tanner Faust, at this event that Jimmy Day and all the FN3 guys put on, and just what an awesome event. 175 plus mile an hour roll racing, 2,000 horsepower street cars, the OPTIMA Ultimate Street Car Series putting on their finale of the year with crazy builds, this awesome field of drivers. We did a go-kart race which had about 100 people in it, 20 teams, people in the Pikes Peak car, gave rides, blew minds. Can't wait to do this again. Thanks again to Optimum Batteries.
All right. Too much room in here, young man. Are you ready? Are you ready?
All right, so it might be a little uncomfortable, but if it's not tight, you move around too much.
Right. And just for curiosity, what are we waiting for?
Yeah.
And we're not waiting. You ready to go?
Yeah. so much.
You bet.
That was beautiful driving. So that's pretty insane. Good going, James. Okay. Wow.
Thanks, James. Appreciate it, brother.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Awesome. Oh, let's do that every day.